Okay, let's talk planners. Are you still dealing with paper cuts and lost sticky notes? Well, forget all that. Because in 2026, your planner is about to get a serious IQ boost. And get this, it might even start paying you. So let's dive in and see how.
You know that feeling, right? You're frantically flipping through pages trying to find that one note you scribbled down last month. Or maybe you're wishing your to-do list would just, magically sync from your tablet to your phone. Yeah, if you're nodding along right now, you are definitely in the right place. All right, stick with me for just the next few minutes. We are going to unlock the secrets to finding your perfect digital sidekick. Doesn't matter if you're a student, a CEO, or dreaming of starting your own thing. Let's do this. Okay, so why is everyone suddenly making this switch? I mean, what's going on here? Well, this isn't just some passing trend. It's a full-blown revolution in how we organize our lives, and it's all powered by some seriously cool new tech. So what's the big deal? Well, it's this amazing mix of the old school and the super high tech. Think about it. You get that really satisfying feel of handwriting with an Apple Pencil, but then you get the magic of hyperlinked PDFs. What does that mean? It means you can tap on a date, like in your yearly calendar, and bam, you're instantly on that day's page. No more flipping through hundreds of pages. And of course, everything syncs across your devices. But here's the real game changer, the passive income potential. Seriously, the market for these things is exploding because anyone can design and sell their own. It's a powerful side hustle. We're talking about a whole new ecosystem here. All right, so once you decide to go digital, you're going to hit a fork in the road. And honestly, your whole experience really comes down to this one choice. Are you an app person or a PDF person? Let's break down what that actually means. So here's the breakdown. Think of it as two totally different philosophies. On one side, you have native apps like Artful Agenda or Structured. These are all about automation. They hook right into your calendars, they send you reminders, everything just works together seamlessly. Then you have the PDF planners. These are your creative playground. They live inside other apps like GoodNotes, and they give you total freedom to draw, design, customize, whatever you want. And that freedom is exactly why they're so perfect for people who want to create and sell their own planners. Okay, so that's the theory, right? App versus PDF. Now let's see what this looks like out in the wild. We're going to take a quick tour of some of the top players for 2026 so you can really see these two approaches in action. Let's just run through some of the big names here. See that first one, Resell Ready Collections? That's a perfect example of a PDF bundle for all you side hustlers and creators out there. Then you've got something like Artful Agenda. That's a native app on a subscription, and it's great for lifestyle professionals who need that perfect sync. If you're all about daily routines, the Structured app is awesome, and it has a really solid free version. For the entrepreneurs who need serious business planning, a powerful PDF like the Key to Success Planner is a go-to. And hey, if you're just starting out, not sure what you want, PlanWise is a mostly free app that's a fantastic place to begin. Oh, and one quick but super important thing about those PDF planners, they need a place to live. You can't just open them on their own. That's where apps like GoodNotes or Notability come in. The best way to think of them is like a digital three-ring binder. You just import the PDF planner into one of these apps, and that's where all the magic happens. The writing, the customizing, all of it. Okay, I know, so many great options. How in the world do you pick the right one for you? It can definitely feel a little overwhelming, but don't worry. We've actually boiled it down to a super simple 4-step framework to make it easy. All right, here we go. First up, what's your main goal? Are we talking hardcore business productivity, managing your lifestyle, or maybe a bit of both? Step 2, pick your path. Do you crave that seamless, it just works automation of an app, or do you want the total creative freedom of a PDF? 3, let's talk budget. Are you looking for free, a one-time purchase, or are you cool with a subscription? And then finally, step 4, you just take all those answers and match them up to your perfect tool. See? Simple. You know what? Let's make this even easier. Let's try some personas. See which one fits you. Are you the beginner, just kind of dipping your toes in the water? If so, start with a free tool like PlanWids. Just get a feel for it. Or maybe you are the lifestyle pro. You're juggling work, family, personal goals, the whole shebang. For you, the seamless syncing of Artful Agenda is going to be your new best friend. And what if you're the entrepreneur? You love to customize everything and you see the business potential here? Well, then a PDF collection built for resale, something like Resell Ready, is absolutely your secret weapon. Because at the end of the day, let's be real. Picking a digital planner isn't just about, color coding your appointments. It's about finding a system that actually helps you build the habits that are going to make 2026 your most productive, most fulfilling year yet. Yeah, one of the sources we looked at for this really nailed it. The whole point of this digital shift is to give you a tool with, and I quote, unmatched flexibility and productivity. It's about having a system that's as dynamic and adaptable as your real life is. And that's something a paper planner, well, it just can't do. So, really, the big question isn't just which planner you're going to choose. It's what are you going to create with it? Are you finally going to launch that business? Master that new skill? Or maybe just design a life that feels a little more intentional, a little more fulfilling? That digital blank page is waiting. So, what are you going to write on it?